Hi, good morning students. I hope everyone doing well. Okay, fine. In this video, we are continuing letter writing. So before going to start, I would like to remind you what are the parts we can see in a letter. There are 6 parts in a letter. First one is heading. Second one is salutation. Third one is body of the letter. Fourth one is subscription. And fifth one is signature, and the sixth part of the letter is the address on the envelope. These are the 6 parts what we can get in every letter. And today we are going to discuss about one more letter. See here, it is a question to a friend about your favorite game. So in this video you are going to write about your favorite game to your friend through the letter. So how should we write about our favorite game in a letter? So it is a pattern. So here we have a one letter already I have written on the board. Let us see here. 73 by 1 Gandhinagar, Bandapalli, 5th September 2020. So it is one first part of the letter. So what we call this part? It is a heading. So it is called heading. And now, so already I said you in the previous videos, whenever we are going to write a letter to our friends, we should start with the dear, because always the salutation depends upon the relation between two people. So here is a friendship between them. That's why we are starting dear Pawan, dear Pawan. So it is called salutation in the letter. And now we are going to start body of the letter. Once again I would like to repeat, body of the letter is very important in every letter because it is the main part. What you would like to express to him. So everything we can get in this body of the letter of your letter. So that's why it is called very important and it is called body of the letter. Okay. So see here how I started body of the letter to write and describe about my letter writing. Thanks for your letter. With your prices of cricket as the finest game in the world. So basically, before I start to write this letter, I got a letter from my friend before. So after I received that letter, I'm going to giving response to him. So actually, what my friend written in his letter, so he praised. Praised means admire. So appreciate, admire or appreciate. So actually, my friend admired about cricket game in his letter, and of course it is the finest game in the world, but I don't want to dispute that. So basically I don't want to criticize cricket. So it is my feeling, it's not my friend feeling. What is my friend feeling? So he thought cricket is favorite for him. Okay, fine, that's why I don't want to dispute that. Dispute means criticize, so decrease the value. So I don't want to dispute that. That here refers cricket game. That refers cricket game. And now, but is not my favorite. So but my friend, cricket is not my favorite game. That's I think your favorite game, okay, but not my favorite game. I have two favorite games, one for outdoors and one for indoors. So basically I have two important favorite games in my life. One is outdoor game and second one is indoor game. So this I explained in the first paragraph. So I said you, whenever we are going to write a large view in the body of the letter, we should definitely divide into paragraphs. So otherwise the text completely clumsy to understand. So we should not write a letter in that manner. So I completed first paragraph here, and now I am going to start second paragraph. For exercise, I like tennis best of all outdoor games. So basically, he started to explain about his favorite game. So what is his favorite game? Tennis. Tennis. Why do he wants to like tennis? Because for exercise. For exercise. So early morning, whenever we get up from our bed, we always think about how definitely about exercises or yogas. So exercises means like this, whatever we can do for our better health and good health. So for exercise I like tennis, best of all outdoor games. Football and hockey are too violent to suit me. So because if I want to play hockey or football, it is too violent. So I don't want to play them, that's why. So I just take tennis game for my exercise. cricket is too slow. So if I play cricket is a slow game. So that's why I don't like to play that game. That's why it's not my favorite. And badminton is childish. So if we think about badminton is very childish game. That's why I don't want to play. But tennis gives you plenty of exercise. But tennis game will give us plenty of exercise. That's why tennis is my favorite game. I would like to always prefer to play tennis game only. So it develops quickness of eye and limb. You know something? How tennis helpful to us. So while playing, we can become quickness. It develops in ourselves quickness of eye and limb. So it helps a lot for the health, and it develops the two qualities in our self mostly, and it calls your brain. So while playing tennis, definitely every shot calls brain, because how to play. So always we keep our concentration on playing. That's why I would like to play, and tennis is my favorite game. Your thinking power, and tennis improves and develops in our self thinking power into action. So every shot, every time we need to think how to shoot that. That's why I like tennis game very much. A few sets of tennis in the evening keep me physically and mentally fit. And not only I am taking practice in tennis game in the morning times, and I'm taking practice in tennis in the evening times also. So that helps me to keep mentally and physically strong. Fit means strong. So now I completed second paragraph. So in the second paragraph I explained about tennis game and my favorite game, that things. And now I am going to start third paragraph. For indoors, chess is the queen of games. So in the second paragraph I completed outdoor game. Now I would like to talk about, and I would like to explain about my favorite game in indoor. So that is chess. You know something? Chess we call queen of indoor games. Queen of indoor games. I take no interest in card games. But everybody, they usually play card games in the homes or indoors. But I won't like to play card games. That's why I always prefer to play chess only in the indoor game. And draughts of chess is like after wine. People say chess is a selfish game because two can play at a time. But people, what they thinking about chess game, only at a time two people only can play. So no more people cannot play. So maybe because of that reason people won't like to play chess. But I don't think in that way. So how the people are thinking about chess, I don't want to think in that manner. So what I feel about chess, that's I believe. So but I like to play chess indoor game very much. Well, I don't see that bridge is only less selfish. Simply because for play instead of two. You know something? Sometimes how the people are thinking at a time only two people can play chess. That is not maybe right always. So four can also play chess instead of two people at a time. So it is possible that to play chess in that way also. They also say it is slow. And people, one more thing, what they will think about chess, it is a very slow game. It is a very slow game. But no chess player never says that. But the player of chess, who is playing chess, who are the chess players, never say about chess game like that. So these chess players won't think about chess is a slow game, because for an outsider it may look slow to see two men sitting silent and making a move only every few minutes. But only outsider will think about chess game like that. So because he is watching game, two people are playing, but the outer person will think about it is a very slow game to take every movement. But every move it takes some time. That's why because of that thing, the outsider definitely will think about chess is a very slow game. But I don't think like that. But to the two players, it is all the time intensely exciting, you will probably scoff, but I don't, sorry, there is no game that so absorbs you like chess. You know, basically the two people who are playing chess won't think like that, won't think like that. So every move on chessboard taking time, but of course, but in between that time, the two players is thinking very strongly how to take a next move. So they are keeping always in concentration to think and how to move in the next move. So the two players who are playing won't think about chess game like that. So how outsider thinking about chess, players won't think in that manner. So you will probably scoff, but I don't mind. Of course, you are a very scoff. So I don't mind. Maybe you are thinking in that way about chess, but I don't need to think about, because I can definitely know as a chess player how chess playing will give power, thinking power, and it making me how knowledgeable to me to take a next step on chessboard. So it's all because of chess. So as a chess player, I know everything about chess game. I don't criticize chess game anymore. So it is the body of the letter. Now I am going to tell you subscription. Yours very sincerely. It is called subscription. Timmaraju. It is signature. So in this letter also we are not writing address on the envelope. So basically, what is address on the envelope? Whenever we completed a letter and we can fold this paper and we put into a large cover. That on that we can write the address on the envelope. Of course, you can definitely know that. See, my dear students, once again I would like to divide these parts. So it is called the heading. What is this? Heading. So once again I would like to repeat this. And one more thing, what is the main important thing what we need to observe in this letter is, so every line has to start again and again in the same way. See, I started to write here, and the second thing also I started here. So it is very important to observe. So okay, I hope you can definitely understand this. And it is called salutation. And it is called, so from here to here, it's totally called body of the letter. And it is only called subscription. What is this? Subscription. And it is called signature. Okay, it is called signature. Students, hope you are understanding it and enjoyed this video. And one more thing, so it is the way to write a letter. So I hope you can definitely get a good idea about how to write a letter. And this is the letter. So hoping you can definitely note down it in your notebook for better understand and for better knowledge. I hope you can definitely do this. And we'll meet again in our next video. Until then, everyone, bye. Have a nice day, everyone. See you there.